Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on my video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you're a subscriber, thank you for your support. It is raining here today. If you hear the rain or a tree falls on my house or anything like that, don't be alarmed. It's just Arkansas. You will see me in this same outfit on another video of my Birchbox. I just didn't feel like changing. I got 2 subscriptions at the same time, so why not film them back to back? The other subscription I'm talking about is this month's Ipsy bag. Now, if you don't know what Ipsy Glam Bag is, it is a $10 a month sample subscription, and you also get a makeup bag every month. This is the smaller of the 2 Ipsy Glam Bags. There's the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is the small one. I have emailed them to request to be put on the Plus waiting list, and I'm waiting on an email back. Anyway, this is this month's bag. The star is just too cute. And it says, "And off she went to change the world." Oh, that's so sweet. Alright, let's get in here and see what we got. It's National Women's History Month. To celebrate, we loaded up your March glam bag with female-founded brands and girl boss staples. Learn about these trailblazing founders, plus everything you need to know about your 5 Ipsy Shiro products on Ipsy.com or the Ipsy app. This one's for all the women out there running the show, making her story, and helping us look damn good along the way. So they changed it. It used to be just the single little card. Now you open it, it tells you everything you got in your bag. Okay. Let's read the back too. It says, "Need more girl power? Check out ipsy.com/shop/Shiro to score dozens of female-founded brands we think you'll love. Our beauty quiz got a makeover. Head to ipsy.com/quiz retake questions and update us on your preferences. Now you can tell us even more about what you want, like how often to send certain items and how often you want to receive different shades. There's a giveaway alert. Score 50 glam bag products plus $1,000 cash. Show us the hashtag Ipsy Shiro in your life by tagging them on IG and sharing how she inspires you for the chance to win." So, there's where you go. Ipsy Shiro on IG. Alright, let's get in here and see what we got. The first thing I'm pulling out is a brush. If you haven't watched my videos before, I am a major makeup brush addict. I have a problem, I'm aware of it, and I'm okay with it. So this looks like a Mota brush. Royal and Lamb Nickel Mota Pro Precision Angle Brush. Mota is known for its stylish, on-trend brushes with waterproof, silk-textured handles. This one's just the right size for applying highlighter and contour products where you need them. Bonus, this brush is vegan-friendly and cruelty-free. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. I love the handles on these. This is the second brush like this I've gotten. My husband thinks these are the coolest brushes ever. My other one brush like this, he wants to steal to clean parts of his gun with. So, I keep my makeup brushes far, far away from him. I do like the tapered end. So that's that. And it's always nice to receive a brush. Next thing we have is Answer from Illuminous Collagen Eye Cream. And that is what that looks like. K-Beauty Obsessed. Here's another up-and-coming brand to have on your radar and your vanity. This cream is infused with collagen to hydrate, energize, and brighten your under eye area. Plus it's super gentle, so it's fab for all skin types. Alright, so it's an eye cream. I'm not going to open it and swatch it. It is safety sealed. It's an eye cream. I will let you know how it performs when I use it. The next thing we have is by Sand and Sky. This is the Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask. Detoxify and brighten. That is what it looks like. This brand was founded by sisters who share a passion for using rare Australian ingredients in skincare. Made with light pink Australian clay, this mask tightens pores, nicks excess oils, and leaves your skin feeling so smooth. So that'll be nice. I've never used anything from this brand, and as you can see, it's pretty full. It's still right there, and it's enough product to find out if you like it and want to repurchase it. The next thing we have is the Estate Do Me Baked Highlighter Palette. Animal lovers, this one's for you. All of this brand's formula are completely cruelty-free. This velvety highlighter has a light pink pearly finish that's totally buildable. So you can take your look from a low-key lit from within sheen to a next level glow. Light pink. Let's open that and see what it looks like. Oh boy, it's in a pink container too. That's what it looks like when you open it. Oh, it's so pretty. And that is what it looks like in the pan. And this is called Do Me. And there's what it looks like on the skin. Oh, it's very pretty. You can see the shift of pearl and pink. This is a swatch from the other video, so don't pay attention to that. That's a pretty highlighter. I don't think I've tried baked highlighters, so that'll be neat. And then the last thing in here is IVY Beauty eyeshadow in Get Soaked. This rosy pink velvety shadow is a staple in your kit for creating a sheer wash of gorgeous color. What's more, the formula is vegan free of talc, mineral oil, and parabens, and is infused with rose hemp seed oil to help protect the delicate skin on your lids. And it says poolside. It's very cute. It's got little pineapples and flamingos. You got the umbrella. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I wonder if poolside is the color. Little bitty box. Alright. Oh, and this container is also pink. Kind of a mauvey pink color. Oh, it's called Get Soaked. I think I said that earlier. And that is what that eyeshadow looks like. Let's see what it looks like on the skin. It's very pretty. Let's do this finger. And it does blend out, so that'll be nice. That's pretty. Well, that's awesome. I got a whole bunch of stuff that I'd never received before, minus the brush, although it is a different style of the same range of brushes in that brush set, I'm guessing. The handles are super cool. If you can see, it's like a rigid waterproof tapered brush. So that's what I got from my Ipsy for March 2019. Comment down below what you got. Did you like what you received? Are you going to use what you received? If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Hopefully you can subscribe, see all the new content that I'm putting out. Right now I'm putting out 1 to 2 videos a week. And until next time, stay beautiful, and I'll see you later. Bye.